Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a promo code on your Bolt application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bolt application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward using your email address and your password or your phone number along with the verification code. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to apply a promo code, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. And now from the menu page, tap on Promotions. Once you tap on this, you will directly be asked to enter your promo code, which you can tap on and then enter the respective promo code within the verification box. After entering this code, tap on the Apply button at the bottom and this promo code will be applied to your account immediately and you will be given the reward that is associated with the code. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to apply a promo code on your Bolt account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.